Hi guys, and thanks for getting BrickIt in early access version. As you saw on the description, that means I don't finish all the marketing content, which is visual, demo, and tutorial. But of course, you need to know a bit how the tool works. So I will do, especially for you, a quick tutorial, okay, where I will do a quick overview of the tool. But later I will publish more clean and in-depth tutorial on how to use BrickIt. Here it's just the main important things to know. But I'm sure you already know about first BrickIt, and that will be easy for you. The first important things to notice is be sure to be up to date to the last Arnold version, because BrickIt is all based on Arnold. For me, it's this one, the 5.4.3, which is a good one, I think, to have to be sure to have the color on the viewport. If you don't have a recent one, you will not have. Okay, now when you will launch BrickIt, I will do it. Okay, so now we need the instruction to build any model. For that, you have this icon that will automatically open you the link to the Lego site where you can find any instruction based on a model. I don't have a specific one here. Yes, I'm doing this one. Okay, and you can download the PDF. Okay, I think this one is what I'm looking for. Okay, you have your instruction. What I'm doing is I use a PDF viewer or anything, and you can pin on a second monitor or anywhere, and you have your instruction to do your Lego. That is you. Okay, for all of that, it's okay. One thing I add in BrickIt, one problem in previous version is, as we have a lot of bricks, it's sometimes a bit complicated to find them. So the important things now is to organize your brick. Okay, so the fact that it's complicated, it's a bit normal. It's also the Lego part. Okay, I just a reminder that the purpose of BrickIt is not to be designed to be fast or any, is to replicate as close as possible the feeling of create Lego in real life. Okay, it's to relax and enjoy building your Lego like if you had the real one. It's all designed to be like that. So find the brick is part of the process. Okay, where is the brick? With the time you will understand how it's managed and you will be faster. So the first thing you have is when you use often a brick, let's say for example in techniques, you know, we use often this pin. I will right click and add to favorite. And now, okay, you have to relaunch. Yes, it's a bit boring, but I can do. You have to relaunch BrickIt, and when you relaunch, that will appear in your favorite. You have both Lego and Technique favorite, which is different, so you can organize in this tab all the most common, you know, bricks we use. It's the first thing. Okay, you have naming here. The problem is, let's say, for example, here I have my model. If you don't find a brick, a specific one like this one, you go at the bottom of your manual and you will have all the bricks for your model. Okay, with the important things and specific ID. It's what we need. So I'm not sure how to find this one, or if it exists in BrickIt, I will copy the ID and I add a search find my bricks pop up here. Okay, it's based on instruction ID like I show you. Okay, so I will pass the number and that will open you the official digital bricks site, which is brick links. Okay, and you will have the bricks. Why we need to do that? Because in BrickIt I don't have and I can't have the ID bricks data, because BrickIt is based on name. Okay, the name of the brick. You see this one here on the name is a brick underscore 02x10, for example. And here we need to find bricks based on their name. Oh, not BrickIt, bricks. Okay, all the bricks that start with that. So I need the name of the brick. So it's why first, based on the ID, I'm come here and I saw, okay, it's a technique panel fairing. Okay. Yes, the searching bar in BrickIt is not, I develop as best as possible, but it's pretty sensitive of the name. The name need to be exact and from the beginning. So look a bit how it's designed. For example, I will go to technique. You can also just search and the fairing, but it's complicating. So if I look at the name here, panel fairing. Okay, you can go to panel, so and you will look for fairing. So it's here. If I want to find it, I'm look the name. It's panel fairing. Okay, I'm type panel space fairing. Okay, there is a little, it seems there is a little display bug where it show most of the time the bricks, but fairing vendor. Okay, 22. And let's say it's not this, it's a large one. Yes, I need to improve that. Oh, there is many 22. Is it very small? No, it's the, yes, very small, smooth. Okay, 22, very small, smooth, so it's this one. Well, there is a little issue I will improve, is that when you are on lighting mode, you can't import anymore any bricks. You have to be in build mode to be sure to be able to import a bricks. Okay, and now I found my bricks. So yes, it's a bit complicated, but it's the best way I found to give you the ability to find the bricks. If you're sure after all of that the brick don't exist, send me any information about the brick and I will add it to the BrickIt library. What we have then, it's pretty old. It's really quick overview one more time. Here you have X, Y, Z, it's for flipping. Okay, if you select, for example, a group of bricks, you can flip them. It's a flip for you based on world axis. So I advise you to model, to do your modeling based on the world region. Okay, so it's for flip, and it's pretty old. Last thing is to bake your geo. If for any reason you need to bake to use other renderer, or you want a thing, you select the brick you want to bake and you use this icon, bake selected brick as mesh, and that will bake. Okay, you lose the original bricks, so be sure to save or increment your scene and do it at the end of your modeling, because you don't have any snapping or anything, you just have the brick as a pure baked geo now. Well, here it's my model finish. You can see that works and that looks pretty well in the Maya viewport. Now, thanks to the feedback color. Here I'm on the preview mode. If I'm going to build mode, it's a bit less nice, but it's okay to building. Then you switch and it's really, really nice. I can go to render cam. You have this little locator, which in your render cam will deal with depth of field. I can place it anywhere I want. You even can visualize depth of field in the viewport using this icon, and you will have a preview of the DOF, which is really great. Okay. About rendering, now that completely works, of course, with Arnold GPU. Be sure to set it correctly with adaptive sample. I will up a bit the number here. And let's say in the render view. Okay, that works. Really nice. I think there is a depth. Yes, there is a DOF here, active. Okay. What I advise you, and that works really, really well with Lego, is to activate in top of that. You see here is still some second. You activate and you add here, add an optics denoiser. Okay, denoiser optics. I will activate it. And look, it's way, way, way faster, and you have a clean result easily. I will go back to my perspective view. Okay, switch the camera. Yes, and you see, both combined, you have a really, really fast overview of your model. Great. It's so much fast. Then you can, if you have a good hardware configuration, let's say you can even works here directly. I will disable all viewport things and activate here the Arnold with this setting. So on my side there, I have some bug effect, some visual bug, but that can work. I will go to build mode. Okay. And you must be able I don't know why I have this effect, but that should work where you can build your Lego. The idea is that should work. Maybe for you that will work better. I'm curious too. You can send me video or anything of your works. I'm curious to see how that works for you. You see, it's pretty nice to model in Arnold IPR directly. My computer is a bit old now. I'm sure on a powerful computer that could be crazy to model directly with that. Well, I think it's a bit fast, sorry, but it's just for you for waiting a best and cleaner demonstration. I will try to do a big model to show you more complex things, like how to handle with a big Lego set, to add rigging also, to animate our model, and I will continue to improve all the little bugs and things in BrickIt. So one more time, thanks for your support, and I can't wait to have your feedback on BrickIt. Thanks, guys.